Hi everyone! Today, I challenge myself and today's video is a challenge on paano ba ginagawa yung walis tingting, everyone. So yung walis tingting po na binibili natin na mura sa palengke ay makikita nyo po ngayon kung gaano ito kahirap gawin. Kaya manood po kayo ng video ito at wag po ninyo itong gagayahin kung hindi nyo man po nasubukan or kung hindi nyo po sure na alam nyo itong gawin. So ito po ang ating challenge. Paano nga ba ginagawa ang walis tingting? So, okay, are you ready? Let's go. So, the climb begins.
Look at that big machete she has there.
Huh?
Machete that you have there,
Yeah,
big
that's why you
machete.
have to-
You be careful, hon.
I know.
I don't like you doing this, but
And I've done it
Yes,
when I
yes.
was young. And there's no reason I can't do it again.
well, I can't videotape you from this angle.
You already was in the position.
Well, you're on the wrong side of the tree. All I'm seeing is the tree.
Ah, okay. Go ahead. This tree has a small hak.
I wished I could
You have to
zoom.
be away. You have to be far there because the leaves will gonna fall. The leaves will gonna fall. You have to go there. It's okay. I can wait.
Wait.
There.
Which leaf is going to fall? That one?
It's up to you.
Wait.
Just make sure your video is working.
I can't see what's going on. It's all shadow.
Because you are in the wrong direction. You're against the light. You
Well,
have
yeah,
to be
but if
there.
I'm over, if I'm over there,
You
I
have to be
can't.
there. You're
Which-
against the light there.
which branch are you going to cut down? I don't know. Okay.
I need another. So that I will have another step.
You be careful, hon.
I know. Thank you. Oy,
Uh,
it's a little bit far.
it is.
Fine.
Huh?
Look out this one. Will hit you. Watch out. Okay.
Bang. It almost got me.
Watch out for this one.
Whoa.
Careful.
I'm more worried about me now.
Huh?
I'm more worried about me now. Eh.
Just relax. We're doing fine. I need 3 leaves.
3?
Yeah. Careful. Watch out for that. Elsa!
Elsa almost got clobbered.
One more.
Success.
Huh?
I said success.
There's no young buko here. Only old. You wanna try?
No, I don't think so.
Oh my God. Thank you, Lord.
You made it down safely.
Yeah. Then, next. Alam, kala nyo ba guys, madaling gawin yung walis tingting? Tapos, bibilihin lang ng mura. Ibibenta lang ng mura. Hindi madali guys. Kunin natin ito. Para malaman nyo kung gaano kahirap buuhin yung walis tingting. Para alam nyo guys na hindi tama ang presyo ng pagbebenta nito. Alam nyo kung gaano kahirap. Kaya kung ako yung nagbebenta ng walis tingting, hindi ko ibebenta sa halagang 30 pesos. Yung iba nga, binibili lang 25 eh. So, yan. We need 3 leaves just to make 1 broomstick.
Just to make one?
Yeah.
Really? Boy, I sure wouldn't want to piss off Rosemary. She'd chop me apart in no time. This bush is in the way.
It's ano man, Madre de Agua. One last.
What do you call that knife here? A boa? Or bola?
Machete.
Machete? I thought you had another name for him.
We call it tundang. Tundang. Okay. There we go.
You don't use the end ones?
No, you don't. But it's young. I mean, it's not, so, next is, I don't need this anymore. Come here, honey.
What?
It's not easy, guys. You have to do that. Take away the leaves. Retain only the stick. Okay? And you need like 300 pieces of this to create one like that.
One broom?
Yeah.
You're a very pretty broom maker.
Well, mega love shout out, solid team. Kung may mga order po kayong walis tingting dyan, pwede nyo po akong kontakin. So this is how we do it. It's not easy guys, no? Tapos, kung babaratin lang nila yung mga nagtitinda ng mga ng mga walis tingting, sasabihin lang nila, walis lang naman yan. Oo nga, walis lang naman yan. Pero hindi nyo alam at hindi nyo kaya kung paano ito gawin, no? Kasi, binabase natin, lalo na sa mga shout out dyan sa mga yung mga nagmamaliit ng mga farmers. Kasi hindi nila alam kung gaano kahirap. They don't know how much hard work the farmers put into everything that you are using right now. Every household has a broomstick, but not every household know the hardship and how it is made. And they don't give value to it because they will just say, oh, it's only a broomstick, you know? It has no value. So, guys, I will tell you, I will not sell my broomstick for a 35 pesos or 25 pesos. So, if you are a rich people out there,
And 25 pesos is only like 50 cents, guys.
yeah. So if you are a rich people out there, if you are a family of wealthy people, if you see a person selling broomstick, I wish you don't have to pay her like 30 pesos only or 25 pesos. Masagwa pa nga, yung iba tumatawad pa eh. They ask for a lesser price. I hate people like that. So sana po, kung napanood nyo po ang video na ito, ay ngayon ay alam nyo na po kung gaano po ito kahirap gawin. Masama at nakakasad nga lang dahil, ayun nga, nahuhulog lang siya na walang halaga. You know, you think broomstick is no value at all. But every household has a broomstick. Right? I don't know if in American if you have a broomstick.
Well, they're all manufactured by machines, though.
Yeah, I know. But dito sa Pilipinas, yung mga bumibili ng mga walis, ay, kayang-kaya nilang baratin. Hindi nila alam kung gaano kahirap. You can pause it, Han. Because this will take a long time.
So, this is like 10 minutes worth of work there. That's about how many she's got. What do you have, like 50?
I don't know.
Something like that? Yeah, she's still working away. It'll take her a while.
Yeah.
At least a
1
half an
hour.
hour. An
Yeah.
hour? An hour, you think?
Yeah.
Really?
Mm.
She's sitting down there. I don't know how she can squat like that forever. I can't even hardly sit on the ground, let alone, you know, kind of squat like that. Of course you are Indian fashion at the moment. They call that sitting Indian fashion.
Han, we are farmers, so
Right.
we grew up in the mountain basically.
Yeah. So you're very talented. Okay.
And this does not need talent.
Well, yeah, you have to know how to do it. And it took talent to climb that tree, for God's sakes.
Are you nervous?
No, well, yeah, I'm always nervous when you can potentially get hurt, hon. Why wouldn't I be?
I grew up with it, Han.
But then, of course, once you started chopping things down, I got nervous for myself. I almost got clobbered a couple times. It's okay. It all worked out in the end. So, anyhow. So, This is the progress that's been made in like a half an hour. It takes a while to do this, to get enough of them. She's working on it though. Smile. Don't spill your water.
Hi guys. Ganito yung buhay namin sa bukid. Enough. I have halfway to go.
So it takes like an hour?
Yeah.
She's very skilled at it. I tried this once, right, helping her, and I'm really slow at it. Like about the quarter of the speed that she is.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Rose is very good at it. Well, here's the progress so far, folks. You're just about have enough for a broom, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Almost done.
So, all right. She's been working away on this for like an hour now, I believe.
See, it's already dark.
Well, it's not really dark. The video's working out fine. So, you know. Scrape, scrape.
Last one.
Last one, huh? Alright, we'll get video of that last one.
Okay.
See how quick she is at it? So they reuse the straw here.
Yeah.
Yeah?
This is from the carton boxes from the...
Yeah, when they ship stuff or when you get stuff from the grocery store.
We always keep something for recycle or reuse.
Right.
We have to cut the edge part. Little bit.
What edge part? The end?
Here is our fresh broom. See that?
Yeah. So it has to dry for a little bit, right?
Yeah, that's okay. We use it right away.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Good job, hon.
Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you like the video as my challenge.
So yeah, looks like it turned out nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, guys.
Thank you for watching.